In the previous tutorial, you already learned that what is comment. Now try to print something over here. Print, like if you want to print hello world, you just need to write print and within the parentheses give a quotation mark and write hello world. Okay, you don't need to put any semicolon over here. Then just click on the cell option and then click on run cell. It will run and print hello world. So if you don't want to write this double quotation, you can also write the single quotation. So let's see that. If you put the single quotation over here and click on this run cell, it will also print the hello world. Because Python don't differentiate between double quotation and single quotation, they both are similar. In Python 2 you don't need to put that parenthesis, you just need to write print and space hello world, it will print that thing. But in Python 3 or above versions you have to put that parenthesis. So in this way you successfully printed the famous quotation mark, that is the hello world.